How to uncap FPS using client settings in Roblox. So first, you just have to simply go to the search bar and then search for Roblox. Click this one and then go to file location or open file location. Here, once you found Roblox, you have to right click and then open file location again. Under file location, you have to right click and then tap new and create a new folder, but this time you have to rename it with client settings. Okay, so tap, show more options, rename, and then enter or type client settings. Now, under client settings, what you want to do is to simply create a text document, but before that, you have to make sure that your file extension is checked. Okay, now, the next thing to do here is to simply right click and then look for new and search for text document. Rename it with client settings. And then right click again, show more options. Now change this TXT to JSON. And then after that, double click. Now what you want to do here is to simply copy what I'm about to show you. You can get this from the description down below. Okay, so this one here. So actually, you can get this from the description down below. Okay, and then after that, tap X. Now, the next thing to do is to go back to Roblox and see if this method work. So that's how you uncap FPS using client settings. As easy as that. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.